International Women's Day was celebrated worldwide yesterday, and on this special day, Pankit Thakkar collaborated with an NGO where popular names of the TV industry were spotted, and Divyanka Tripathi, Drashti Dhami, and Vebi Zurabji got felicitated. And not only did these actresses got felicitated, but also acid victims were felicitated too. So come, let's find out more on this from the celebrities themselves.
Happy Women's Day, Babis.
थैंक यू
Happy Women's Day आपको भी.
वेल आई थिंक इस बार हमने सबसे खास चीज़ की है. वी हैव कम हियर ऑन दिस इवेंट द निर्भया शक्ति अवार्ड्स टू सपोर्ट द एसिड अटैक वुमेन. And we are, and in fact, they're not only going to give them awards, they're also going to be giving awards to different, women from different walks of life who have inspired you in some way or the other.
Yeah.
So I think this is the most special Women's Day मैंने मनाया है.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली मेरा भी ये पहला ऐसा विमेन डे है कि जहाँ पे मैं ऐसी ग्रेट महिलाओं के साथ मना रही हूँ जिनसे मुझे आगे और जीने की प्रेरणा मिलेगी एंड कुछ करने का मिलेगा.
Yeah, this is also a very special Women's Day for me. I've not spent it so interestingly meeting such interesting ladies from all different walks of life. Babis भी इतने अच्छे कपड़े पहन के आई है.
Oh my God.
Making jokes.
Which is made by Richa, isn't it?
Yeah.
Richa. The talented Richa, isn't it? देखो सब ध्यान में रखता हूँ मैं. So yeah, it's fun. Thanks for getting me to be a part of this. So
Yeah, like till now he only knows me as his childhood friend who he takes for granted. Now your perception will change.
हाँ.
I got-
Babis called me and said तुम Women's Day पे क्या कर रहे हो? वैसे टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो ना आम तौर जैसे करते हो तो आओ आज कुछ अच्छा काम करो मैं. So that's how I landed up here.
I'm very happy that
But
he
you're
is also
lucky and
part
you're
of it.
blessed to have a friend like her. She's got you here.
Yes, I went and
Listen,
put out the nariyal also.
I'm very
right
lucky
now.
to have a friend like him. Bombay में इसने मेरी इतनी help की है. I can never forget him in my life.
Yeah.
He's really helped me when I came new to this city.
अच्छा.
Today, so many close friends I have is because of Viraf.
क्या बात.
Yeah.
I think these women, I really, really want to salute them. I want to meet them. They're probably going to be telling their life before and after. They're the most courageous beings on earth today. To have gone through something as severe as that, and still leading a normal life with a smile on their faces, I think it's the most courageous and the most beautiful thing ever. They will inspire us, and they will make us forget our regular mundane day-to-day worries that we think of our life to be so complex and so stressed, and I've got so many problems. You just look at these women here, you'll forget about everything else.
Yeah.
We are just saluting the women जो एक बार तो जली थी लेकिन जलने के बाद उन्होंने ठान लिया था कि अब हमें जलना नहीं है, अब हमें जीना है. So it's for them. This is the award ceremony dedicated to acid victim attacks.
And we'll be giving them awards, and they truly deserve it because they're the real heroes.
Yeah, I
Actually,
think we should stop
I'm
calling
so
them
sorry.
victims.
Yes, exactly. मैं
Yeah,
वही बोलने
I think
जा रही
that's not a
थी
good
कि this
word,
victim word ना, I think victim हम लोग हैं, वो लोग नहीं है victim. हम लोग victim है क्योंकि अभी भी वो सह रहे हैं और अभी भी होने दे रहे हैं, अभी भी कुछ छेड़खानी होती है होने देते हैं, अपनी गाड़ी से निकल जाते हैं, कुछ भी रोकते नहीं है. We are the real victims and accused. हम लोग हैं, वो लोग नहीं हैं. वो लोग तो जी रहे हैं, वो लोग तो I think they are living their life.
I think a better word for them is survivors.
Yes,
and
yes.
We,
Fighters.
We will be the victims if we don't learn from that.
Yes,
so
definitely.
I think more power to them.
Divyanka is going to be getting an award, and this is not the first time, but this where I'd probably be taking an award for her, but this is definitely going to be the most special one because of the way she's been getting awards left, right, and center for different reasons, but this one is going to be a different ball game altogether. I think she's going to cherish it. That's exactly why I wanted to be here, and another reason why I wanted to be here and collect the award on her behalf, and because I know that she's really, really going to enjoy this one and cherish this one for life.
I would like to share with the audiences what I am learning from these survivors, that we are because of our wounds, not in spite of them.
Yeah.
So our wounds make us who we are, and we exist because of them, not despite or in spite of them.
True. Well, I would like to say that please learn from these women, get inspired from these women, and stay strong. Learn to, stand up for yourself and fight against all the odds in life.
India Forums की तरफ से और वाबी स्वीटी
विराट की तरफ से
गाय विराट
Yeah.
विराट नो विराफ
सॉरी विराट
वाह
Virat is Anushka's boyfriend.
ओके विराट की
तरफ
तरफ
से
से
Happy
हैप्पी
Women's
वुमेन्स डे बैंड बजाते हैं, बैंड बजाएंगे.
She's another firecracker, boss.
And boys, be nice to women all year round. Today is just Women's Day, so give them a gift and all, make them feel special. But do that all year round.
For nice dinner.
He's taking me for dinner.
All year round, all year round. मैं उनको voucher देके रखे साल भर.
I just want to say that I just strive, I aspire to make the women around me happy and proud of me. And I want to give them all the support in the world. And I think we all should, because they are capable of much more than what we just think in our heads.
Hi everyone, this is Rubina the Lake and you're watching India Forums. Thank you.
India Forums congratulates these achievers and don't forget, for more updates on your favorite stars, like, share and subscribe on YouTube to India Forums. Addiction at its best. Kajal Mishra, camera person Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.